Urdu, English too. Let's sing together, me and you.
F for apple, A so bright. Alif for Allah, shining light. Alf, Allah's name. Urdu, Alif, Arabic, same.
B for ball, bounce so high. Bayin Urdu, in the sky. Bayin Arabic, Bismillah, start. Letters of love inside the heart. G for cat, cute and sweet. Jim for Jannah, place of peace. Jim so bright. Learning letters feels so right.
D for duck, say quack, quack. Dal for dua, Allah's track. Dal we say.
Let's learn letters every day. E for elephant, big and tall. Hamza on Alif, smallest of all. Egg, tiny, sign so cool. Little bit letters make us cool.
F for fish, swimming free. Fa for Fajr, dawn we see. Fa, shining bright. Urdu faith feels just right. ABC Alphabet, learn the letters every day.
English, Urdu, fun. Let's keep singing, little ones.
G for goat, chewing hay. Ga for guard, Urdu way. Go, gav, sound clear. Letters make learning dear.
H for house, cozy bed. Ha for Hidayah, Allah said. Ha, gentle sound. Blessings everywhere around.
I for ice cream, cold and sweet. Alif again, simple beat. A start of many names. Learning love in simple games.
J for juice, fruity sip. Jim in Adabi, on your lip. Urdu, Jim, ja, same sign too. Learning letters just for you. A, B, C, Alif, B, T. Learn the letters every day. English, Urdu, fun. Let's keep singing, little ones. A, B, C, Alif, B, T. A, B, C,
A-L-I-F. Alif is for Allah, our creator, great and strong. Come on kids, let's learn the letters all day long. B-A-A, Ba is for Bismillah, start your day the right way. T-A-A,
Ta is for Tawbah, asking forgiveness every day. T-A-A, Ta is for Tawbah,
asking forgiveness every day. Alif, Ba, so much fun. The alphabet of light has begun. Come and sing with me. 1, 2, 3. Alif, Ba, so much fun. The alphabet of light has begun. Come and sing with me. 1, 2, 3. Hey, now you know Alif, Ba, and Ta. Good job, good job. You can use the following simplified lyricism will guide the overall feel. Rough and music played, it's over. You can use it go. The notes about the pacing and animation will guide the overall feel of the music. A-L-I-F. Alif is for Allah, our creator, great and strong. Come on kids, let's learn the letters all day long. B-A-A, Ba is for Bismillah, start your day the right way.
T-A-A, Ta is
is for Tawbah, asking forgiveness every day. Ta is for Tawbah, asking forgiveness every day. Alif Ba, so much fun, the alphabet of life has begun. Come and sing with me. 1, 2, 3. Alif Ta, so much fun, the alphabet of life has begun. Come and sing with me. 1, 2, 3. Hey, now you know Alif Ba and Ta. Good job, good job. Bismillah, we start with his good name. B is for bright and brave, never ever the same. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa. Come on everybody play. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa. Learn the letters every day. Each new sound a treasure, a story just for you. Find joy beyond measure in